Welcome back. Security to CM has been intensified following suspension of mining operations. Policemen with machine guns are guarding CM from Monday evening. Parrikar had earlier denied security, stating that he doesn't need any protection from the people who have elected him.
He never cared for security, never bothered about whether it is Z or Z+. But following his decision to suspend operations of all mines in Goa, he is in no mood to take risk. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, who denied security escort after taking over reins of the state administration, has now accepted full security. 2 police vehicles with 8 policemen are on duty to protect CM. 6 constables and 2 havaldar with machine gun are guarding Manohar Parrikar. Earlier, Parrikar had recommended downgrading of security cover of all ministers to Y. Similarly, security to members of Legislative Assembly and former ministers was withdrawn. Parrikar was of the opinion that all policemen withdrawn from VVIP duties would be utilized to maintain law and order in state. CM told Prudent media, "My decision is radical. It will have consequences. I have decided to accept security cover for a month. I will give it up after that. People always advise me to move with security cover. I know when to take it and when not." Shah Commission report indicted many big-wig politicians and recommended strict action against all violators. Commission also recommended scrutiny of all mines in state. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar on Monday issued notification suspending operations of all mines in state. Our reporter Mahesh Vadi with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent Media.
Miki Pacheco, in a commendable move, has stopped all Matka gambling in his constituency. 6 villages in Nuwe constituency will be under strict vigil. Miki has put a total ban on Matka. Miki alleged that some MLAs are also involved in Matka gambling. He stated that he would ask CM Parrikar to replicate such action across the state to curb Matka.
The bookies have been asked to stop their Matka business in Nuwe constituency. Miki Pacheco ordered the police to keep a check on all the bookies violating the orders. Villagers of Verna, Lotli, Nuwe, Betalbhati, Majorda and Nagoa will be under the strict vigilance.
Police ह्या सरकारान तर चरयला करप्शन सारखे क्लीन करपाकू म्हाका दिसता ह्या सरकारान हांवूय भितर आहा त्या पासून हांवें सुरवात केल्या आनी हांवें करता आसतना हांवें म्हाका दिसता हें गरजेचें मुगे घर पयलीं साफ करपाचें त्या पासून हांवें मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युशन पयलीं सुरवात केल्या आनीक म्हाका जाय आख्खे गोंय सोबत गोंयां हें काळधंद चलता तितलें बंद करपाक मडको न्हू मडक्या भायर सगळें इलिगली कितें चलता तितलें बंद करपाक
बाकीचे सरकार बीजेपी बाकीचे आमदार आसा
बाकी आमदारां म्हाका कोण गेलो ना आनी कोण आमदारूय भितर आहाय हांव तेजेर तोडलो.
Our reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
Vegetable gardas in Madgaon Gandhi market were closed on Tuesday. The vendors then marched to Madgaon municipality and get out the chief officer. Former Minister Babu Asgaonkar headed the group. Asgaonkar has given 8 days deadline to the government to adhere to their demands or else have threatened to create law and order situation.
Babu Asgaonkar along with vegetable vendors and shopkeepers of Gandhi market marched towards Madgaon municipality on Tuesday. They shouted slogans seeking justice for the vegetable vendors. South Goa Collectorate was garroted by the former sports minister and vegetable vendors pressing for their demands. Horticulture Corporation scheme should benefit Goan farmers. Mega sales should not be permitted in Madgaon. Annual feast fairs not for more than 4 days. Babu says government should assist the local farmers and that horticulture schemes should benefit the Goans.
पण अख्खी सबसिडी अख्खे अनुदान जे आसा ते बेळगाव दितात आणि बेळगावच्या भाजीकारांचे जिती करतात आणि आमच्या गोंयच्या भाजीकारांक जिते मारून उडयतात म्हणून आमचो विरोध हा की जी हॉर्टिकल्चर जे आसा कॉर्पोरेशन तेणे हेजे मुखार खंयच्याच भाजीचो गाडो दिवचो ना आणि जी भाजी बेळगांवसान हाडटा ती तेणे बंद करची.
Reporter Savi Dias for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.